So I'll be teaching you how to create YouTube channel. So first of all, you log into the email you want to use. There is the email I'm going to be using for this video. Then you click here to create account. Then you change the name. You can use any name you want. Maybe I'm going to use football content. As you can see, I use football content here. Football test. You can choose any name and you can just change it later. Then you create channel. You click create channel. Then your channel is been created. So before you to add other things to it, then you write your description. If you want, you can tell them what the channel is all about, what they're going to expect from the channel. That's what we do here. That's what I call your description. After adding your description, you click on save. So after you click on save, then your description is being added. Then you head to Chrome so you can set the remaining features on YouTube Studio. But first of all, you change it to desktop mode because you won't see all the details in the portrait mode, the phone mode. So you change it to desktop mode. Then you search for YouTube Studio. You click the first one, YouTube Studio. Make sure you don't download the app for doing this. So you click on the channel there, as you can see. So we come to YouTube. So you play with the settings. You change what you want to change. You put your local, your country, your currency. I'm from Nigeria, so I'll put the Nigerian naira there. Understand? And channel, the basic info. You can put where you come from. As I said earlier, I'm from Nigeria, so I'll put Nigeria there. I'll click Nigeria. Okay. So keywords are what your video is all about. Like if you want to post a video, the type of video you'll be posting, the niche. So football, you have what is related to football, so the algorithm can push your videos to people that search this thing. So keyframe helps push, keywords rather help push your video to the desired people. When they search Messi, your video might come out. When they search football, your video might come out. So that's the work of keywords. Add as much as you can. The settings here, they're asking you when you're going to post video, should you review it? And I like to review my video before I post it. So you can choose any setting of your choice. Everything here is okay by me. Then future eligibility, everything is okay. So you can still click on save down. Click on settings again. You are done with this, so maybe upload. I don't really see anything much. You can put your title, you can put your description of your video. Then you change this private to public, so people can see your video. If it's in private, you see it alone, but when you see in public, people can see the video. Advanced. You can check it. It's a category. You can change it because I'm doing football, so sports. So you can change some of the things there that suits your own style. It's just simple as that. After everything you save, okay. Then that first one is your dashboard. Second is it shows you the content you have created. Now I've not posted any video, so there's no content there. That one is the comments or the comments you have got from your video. This is your channel analytics. This tell you how your channel is doing, the performance and everything. So this is where you in. But you have I think 1 week or 1 month before you see the credentials so you can get monetized. They will give you the numbers. You need to get monetized. So next thing there is customize. You customize. So you customize. No settings. So you click on the customize. Customize is about adding your photo, like branding. It's like branding. It's changing your profile pictures, your banner, and your watermark. So you can change it to any picture you want, any design you want. You can put it there. So that is all about customizing. So that's it. You can add your email so they can contact you from there, but because of this tutorial video, I'm not adding mine. After everything, you click view channel. Then the work is done. That's it. So if you find this video helpful, please make sure you like and subscribe to this video and comment your opinions in the comment section. Thanks.